Hey guys, today we are next to Audi Q3 and I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk, the cargo space bulbs with LEDs. So we have two lights, one on the left, one on the right, and over here I already have some LEDs, W5W bulb replacements. I hope that this is the correct size and socket for this car. And I have a prying tool which you can use. It just makes the job that much easier and faster, but still you can pry it with your fingers if you have long enough fingernails. So we are going to remove those lights, disconnect the wiring from it, let them cool down for a minute or two because the bulb inside will be very hot right now, and after that I'm going to replace the bulb with the LEDs. And here's how to open the light assembly. And there's the bulb, which we are going to replace in a second. Here's the other one. Okay, now LEDs. One, and two. Now let's connect it back and let's see how it looks. And we are done. You can see that those lights are actually a little bit brighter than the standard ones, and of course the color is now matching the interior LED illumination. Let me just show you that this car was equipped by factory with LEDs in the roof, some LED illumination in the door cards, and right now this is all matching. For some reason Audi is not equipping its car with LEDs in the trunk, but luckily it's an easy fix. So in the description below this video you will find a link to the LED bulb replacement that I've used over here. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial or guide, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.